There, welcome back with the second binary in this additional of today's newspaper on a Monday, October the 5th, 2020. Yes, this one is the second binary number 2, and this will be a number 1693. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here and O, there O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then between 2 1's comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3. Double 1 here and O, there O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. Yeah. 3 3. 1 2 3. 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 4 1's. So that's not the solution. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. We have now 4 1's. So the rest are O's. We have here double 1 here and O, there O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O, there O. 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow, what a pace in this Sudoku. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the 2 other tectonics. Tectonic number 1 and tectonic number 2 with 1 star and 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.